think this vlogger's going off script. How can you choose a new phone without checking out reviews? That's why these guys are so popular. And sometimes they are merciless with their gadgets. They'll never lie. If a phone is bad, it's in the trash. Or can they lie after all? That's the way it is. For a small fee, I'll say a few good words. Guys, this smartphone is the bomb. You gotta get one. You won't regret it. Meet the food blogger. She knows everything about food. That's her job. Testing and judging. Her subscribers are asking for an opinion on a new pizza. I'll have to try it. Sushi? I'd love to. It's a dream job. And one piece is definitely not enough. You can't really get the taste. Your subscribers are waiting for your expert opinion. Nobody asked you to review these eclairs. That's just for fun. You have to think about yourself for once. But it's not always amazing. There's also a downside. And now you are all about that bass. And this is a slime blogger. It's a strange choice, but the heart wants what it wants. Making glittery slime? Easy. You've got everything you need right here. Sparkles of all shapes and sizes. And you can also add cute decorative letters. Mix it. But she doesn't seem to like what she does. Blech. It's very sticky and kind of gross. Her followers are demanding more slimes. And for the likes, she'll have to put up with it. Oops, I think I'm stuck. Adventure bloggers are very brave, wandering around deserted places looking for adventure. Very interesting. There's a reason they have so many followers. Apparently, there are some strange noises at this construction site. The bloggers want to get to the bottom of this. It's true, a walk through an abandoned building doesn't always end up that exciting. False alarm! No ghosts here. This is a total disappointment. But online, you can say you met zombies. No one's going to check anyway. Beauty bloggers are special people. Beautiful, neat, always smiling. Their makeup arsenal is super impressive. They know what to put on their face, as well as why, when, and how. They are trusted by millions of people. How can you pick the right shadows without an experienced blogger's help? And you can't do your eyeliner without their tips. And how would girls learn about fancy lipstick shades? You need beauty bloggers and their ads. Girls on the other side of the screen dream of looking like their idol. Except for some reason, the guys aren't always happy. Why is he so annoyed? This is a good tutorial. Well, that's okay. I can watch the video on my phone too. Vlogs about crazy challenges are always very popular. For the sake of a game, people are willing to do anything. I don't think a hot pepper is a good idea. Ouch! There's a fire in my mouth! And now the new challenge. Who can get to the bathroom faster? Maybe you should have picked something less hot. Unfortunately, you can't. Your subscribers won't understand. Fitness bloggers are very hardworking. They exercise all the time, no matter where they are. And they tell the world about their magical exercises. All of their subscribers are super jealous. One-handed push-ups are no joke. Have you ever seen that? She seems like a real master. And this looks unreal. She inspires millions of people to exercise. Keep it up! I made my own body! Oops! So that's her trick! Pick the right angle and get your friends to help. That's the whole secret of her fitness blog! A rich blogger has a whole team of professionals. Lights, camera, action! And now he's going to tell his subscribers the secret of his success. The secret to his successful success. Or he'll teach you how to spend the money you make. He knows all kinds of financial things. He's generous too. That's great. But it looks like he forgot his mom doesn't work for him. She was doing it to be nice, and he only cares about money. Oh, you're about to get punished for that attitude. That's not what his parents taught him. Car bloggers always brag about their new cars. Their advice is priceless. They will always tell you how to choose a cool car. I think there's been a misunderstanding. All right, we'll cut it out of the video. Just don't lose your image. My followers have to believe there's a whole collection of cars in my garage. Cooking bloggers are so talented. Their fridge is always full of delicacies, and they are so smart. They don't just make it delicious, they make it beautiful too. Magic! But there seems to be no such thing as kitchen magic. They are just good helpers. Okay, get out of the shot. What do you think, subscribers? Isn't it delicious? Hit like, subscribe to my channel, yada yada. Gamers are always gaming. Day and night. That's all they do. They have to get through this game fast to show their achievements to their subscribers. And they also need to talk a lot. A gaming blogger is a very anxious person. Their controller breaks every day. It's the risk of the profession. As a last resort, you can always switch to a keyboard. The game must go on. A blogger can't start making a decent living until she's got plenty of advertising deals. There's nothing you can do about it. It's how the market works. Just don't get carried away. Otherwise, all your videos will turn into commercials. But she doesn't seem to care. So many boxes! I don't think she even uses it all. All she's interested in is a fee for 1 million ad links. And these are science bloggers, very enthusiastic guys. They are good at chemistry and they share their knowledge with their subscribers. Like now. Decided to check out what happens if they put Mentos in Coke? They really put their heart into it. And they celebrate like kids when the experiment goes according to plan. Except these kids forgot to do their homework, and they got the room dirty again. Now Grandma will teach them what real chemistry is. Using floor detergents as an example. Prank videos are always so funny. They can prank anyone. And he seems like a good guy. He helped a couple speed things up. But this lady didn't appreciate the joke. Prank bloggers can sometimes get into trouble. It's a dangerous job. I wonder if this girl would like a prank. At least the prankster himself is very happy. She's not thrilled though. Just don't get into big trouble. Stuff happens with prankers. Wow, look at that! The pranker's been arrested. Lucky guy. This video will definitely get 1 million views. Did you like our sketches about influencers? Would you like to be a vlogger? What would you make videos about? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new videos on our channel.